How in that show,
transgenders, all that shit is coming.
Everything. You don't know what is what.
Coming. You're confused. Now we got humanoids, all these robots coming in. It's just coming.
It's weird. It's weird, but it's gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen when we're here.
Oh my gosh.
I think probably like 200 years, probably about 200 years from now, we're gone. I bet you it's gonna be similar to that.
Our grandkids,
it's gonna be like,
bro, my daddy was
right about this. Because this tape's gonna be out. And like I said, people use these streams and this internet for different reasons. I'm using it for two things: for the memories and really to show men at this age and this time they were
like when
men.
he was posting those shits. I was like, yo, that was 2 years ago.
That's what I'm saying. It's memories,
that's
man.
when I came back from Florida and I was like, yo, what up? That shit was lit, bro.
Exactly. We got tapes from like 3-4 years ago.
We've been linking up every year too.
Every year. So that's why we're gonna use it. I use it. I understand. I knew this back then. I was like, yo, we got to show progression. We got to show certain type of men. And it's to show that, yo, there's some real, masculinity out here. So it's like people, they gravitate to it. It's a missing link when it comes to masculinity, man. People just don't watch our stuff just because it's like whatever. They watch it because men secretly want to be able to be a certain way. They're not going to be like us. Say they don't want to be just like KP or just like me.
There's a constant loop of inspiration.
Yeah.
Someone else sees it, then now they're gonna get up. Okay, he's doing it, now they're gonna get up.
That's all I want. All I want is you see us do a pull-up. Just go out and do one pull-up a week. I don't care. Just start somewhere. Just start somewhere.
Word, go for a walk, run around, do something.
Because you don't understand what we're doing now. They're gonna be we inspiring the next, probably the 12-year-old right now watching. And you see him about 8 years.
Yep.
He'll shout us in the video. Be like, yo, I was 12 years old, man. I saw these dudes outside. I forgot their names. I think KP. They inspired me to do my YouTube channel. He got 1 million subscribers. He shouted us out 8 years from now. Yeah. This is where it starts right here, man. We up here learning and showing the next generation that they need to get outside and work out, man. There's gonna be a few dudes out there that are gonna be like, yeah, I gotta start this, start doing that. Yeah. So they see it's able to be done. I'm trying to tell you, man, this is all this is.
What's stopping you from doing some reps right now?
At all. Nothing.
Nothing stopping you.
Nothing at all.
You watching us do some reps,
I sometimes do these. It's because I ain't got the band.
Yeah.
I'll do the I keep my feet on the ground while I'm doing dips. Sometimes that helps a little bit with the form.
I would say that's good for people who need to learn how to do dips properly. Because dips is a risky movement for some humans.
I could do 100 pull-ups, but with this three, I can't think. three reps, I'm like, gosh.
Yeah. Or even just practice holding it at the top till you squeeze your back.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I like that shit.
See, that's the difference between reps. You showing the difference between reps and strength.